Hi everyone, I am Dr. Surendra. In this video, you can learn Glenmark Life Science IPO details. Glenmark Life Science, the subsidiary of farm major Glenmark Pharmaceutical. Glenn Saldan is the chairman and non-executive director of the company. Glenmark Pharmaceutical has approved final approval by the United States Food and Drug Administration (USFDA) for arformoterol trati inhalation solution 15 mcg/2 ml unit dose vials. The company said in a regulatory filing. Glenmark's current portfolio consists of 172 products authorized for distribution in the USA market plus. The company currently operates for multipurpose manufacturing facilities located at Ankleshwar and Dahiji in Gujarat, and Mohol and Kurkum in Maharashtra, with an aggregate annual total installed capacity of 726 KL as of March 21. Now we'll move on to the next slide. Leadership in a selected high value non-commodities API in chronic therapeutic areas. It has strong relationship with the leading global generic companies. It has quality focused complement manufacturing and R&D infrastructure. It is focused on sustainable operation through meaningful intervention in environment management, safety initiatives in operations, and occupational health of workforce. It strives to achieve cost leadership across products through careful monitoring and continuous effort. It has a professional and experienced management team with a proven track record. It intends to expand the geography focus, API portfolio, and scope of its operations. Now, we'll see in the next slide intends to expand the geographic focus, API portfolio, and scope of its operations. The second point, it intends to grow its contract development and manufacturing operations CDMO businesses. Third, it intends to expand its production capacity. Fourth, it continually aims to improve financial performance by focusing on enhancing operational efficiency. Now, the most important slide is the next slide, that is the financials. Now, if you look the financials from the March 19, 2021, the financials look of the company is quite consolidated. The revenue, if you see, the March 886, and the March 20 is 15,037, and March 21 18,085 crores. Now expenditure, if you see, then in March 658 to March 20 is 1128, and the March 21 is 1415. Now if you see the total income is March 19 195, that growth in March 20 1549, in the March 21 1885. A profit after tax, if you see, it is continuously growing. March 19 195, March 20 313, and March 21 351. To overlook again these financials, Glenmark's Life reported profit for the financial years of 21 at rupees 351 crore on the revenue rupees 1885 crore against a profit of rupees 330 crore on revenue of rupees 1537 crore in financial year 20. The profit in the financial year 90 stood at rupees 195.59 crore on revenue of rupees 886 crore. Well, I think this financial is quite strong and consolidating. Glenmark Pharmaceutical is the promoter of the company, holding 100% of the pre-offer stake in Glenmark Life. Now we'll moving towards a next slide, the IPO details. The IPO will be open in 27 July 21. IPO closes in 29 July 21. IPO size is 20 per equity shares. Price band rupees 695 to rupees 720. This is a band range. The listing on the 6th August 21. The retail proportion is 35% and equity share will be allocated to the 60 lakhs shareholders. Landmark Life will finalize the IPO share allotment around 3 August and the funds will be refunded or unblocked from account around 4th August 21. Eligible investor will get their shares in their demat accounts around the 5th August and shares will be debut on 6th August. Now, conclusion. The company will utilize fresh issue proceeds for payment of outstanding purchase consideration to the promoter for the spin-off of the API businesses from the promoter into the company pursuant to the business purchase agreement dated October 9, 2018 is rupees 800 crore and funding capital expenditure requirements is rupees 152 crore. And this is a presently they are using this IPF fund for the company's progress. Now, unprecedented pandemic situation exists in the world and India. The pharma company is a good option for investor in short run and in the long run too. I would like to quote over here: "The road to success is always under construction," given by Lily Tomlin. Opportunity investor to invest in this IPO. I hope you learned something useful. Thanks for watching. See you next time.